Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends in the Tier application. You need to enter the app first. After doing so, you will be presented by the home page. You should afterwards check out the two lines at the top of your left corner. After pressing it, you should also press the invite a friend option. And here you will be presented by a pretty long description what are the bonuses and benefits of inviting one of your friends to both you and him or her, and how to do it. Basically, you will share a randomly generated code to your friend through this app by pressing the share code option at the bottom of your screen. So press it and you can see here in which applications you can share this code with your friend. You just select that application and press just once or always. After doing that, both you and your friend, if you both use this application, will receive a 50% discount on rides for 90 days. So basically it is worth it on the long term, because this app is all about sharing scooters and bikes. So having a 50% off in every ride for a limited time is pretty useful and worth having. So that was the reason why I created this video. I think it was worth sharing. I really hope it was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.